Today, we're making a recipe that's perfect for busy weeknight. The Greek yogurt keeps the salmon nice and moist, while the garlic, lemon, and dill create a delicious and bright flavor profile. Don't like dill? Swap it for your favorite herb. Want a little heat? Throw in some red pepper flakes. All right, foodies, let's get cooking. Crank your oven to 400 Fahrenheit, 200 centigrade, and grab a baking sheet. Line it with parchment paper. Trust me, you will thank you for this easy cleanup tip. In a bowl, whisk together the Greek yogurt, minced garlic, lemon juice, lemon zest, dried dill, salt, and pepper. This flavorful mixture is about to become the star of the show. Place your salmon fillets on the prepared baking sheet and season them with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Spoon the Greek yogurt mixture evenly over each salmon fillet, making sure they're completely coated. Imagine you're tucking them into a delicious yogurt blanket. Pop that baking sheet into your preheated oven and bake for 15-20 minutes. But keep an eye on those beautiful fillets. We want them cooked through and flaking easily with a fork. Take your salmon out of the oven and ooh and ah over its golden deliciousness. And there you have it, folks, a fantastic Greek yogurt baked salmon that's healthy, flavorful, and oh so easy. This salmon pairs perfectly with roasted vegetables, quinoa, or a fresh salad. Basically, anything that complements those amazing flavors. Please like and subscribe for more delicious and easy recipes coming your way.